All right, so just picking back up where we left off. We left off on this example with 12 going into 40, and 12 goes into 40 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. 36, you have 4 left over. That 4 is your numerator. Your divisor is your denominator. Gives you 3 and 4/12. Then we're going to simplify by dividing by 4. Dividing by 4, that gives you a 1 as a numerator and a 3 as a denominator. And your answer is 3 1/3. All right, next. Let's do another one. So we have 7n minus 2 equals 5n plus 6. So we're going to combine like terms to one side of the equation. So this is positive, so I'm going to make it negative. That eliminates that one. Negative 5n on this side. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. Bring down my negative 2. Then, because I want to get the variable by itself, I want to isolate it. So I'm going to put a positive 2 to cancel this one out. Then I have to do the same thing on this side. Positive 2. 6 plus 2 gives me 8. So I can bring that on down. Oh. And we left this with 2n. So 2n equals 8. So we said that's multiplication. So we're going to do the opposite, which is divide. Opposite, which is divide. 2 goes into 2. Leaves you with your n. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So your solution is positive 4. Now, if we ever want to check our answer, this is how we would do it. We take our original equation and we substitute the number for the variable. And again, this is how you check your answer. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 2 gives you 26. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. So our solution was correct. And that's how you check your answer. Now, let's try this. All right, so that one pans out. All right, so just in us doing our guessing checks. So it checks out. Now, it doesn't always check out. These still happen, are, coming out properly and correct. But so you can go ahead and go on with the ones that are on page 20 and complete those. Here, I'll knock out one of your examples for you. One of your equations, I should say. So on number 1 on page 30, it says write the first step you would take to solve each equation. So the first thing I would do is combine my like terms to one side of the equation. All right. So like I said before, all of our solutions will not come out exactly the same, may mean the same. And so, especially when it comes down to words, as long as you are being detailed in your explanations of this and being descriptive, then, your answers would be similar. All right. So that concludes this lesson for 2-4 on the reteach page 30. If you have any questions again, please feel free to reach out to me through the Remind app or send me an email from the website, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Have a wonderful afternoon.